Do you want to convert a Word document to PDF? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. From your Word document, click on the File tab, then select Save As. Click on the drop-down menu for Save As type. Select PDF from the options. Now you should see that beside the file name there is .pdf. This means that the file has been going to save in the PDF format. Method 2. Now if you do not have the latest version of Word installed, then here is how to transfer the Word document to PDF. So type in office.com in Google and hit enter. This is free and it doesn't cost you anything until you have a Microsoft account. Now log into office.com and you will see this interface. Now click on Word. Paste or type your document here. Then click on the File tab. Then select Save As. Now you should see the option to download as PDF. Click on Download and there you have it. The methods to convert Word document to PDF. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.